packing for the Solo Sahyadri, I noticed that most of the stuff that I carry are from this one particular brand, and most of the stuff I absolutely enjoy using in the past adventures of mine. I've been using most of these products for more than a year, right? And I've been absolutely loving it. I thought of just sharing it with you, and in case if you like some of these products, any of these products, you can just go ahead and purchase it and add to your travel kit, or probably add them to your wish list and purchase them later. You can also do that. So the brand that we're talking here is peakdesign. Peakdesign is a brand that makes the camera related stuff, but most of them don't know that they have an incredible line of products that is catered towards travelers. They make a lot of travel related products as well. So I own a few of them and I just want to share them with you. See, here is what you should know, that I don't talk about any brand or product without using them regularly. Most of the peakdesign products that I'm going to show you in this video, I bought it with my own money. But some of them, when I contacted peakdesign, they told me that, oh, if you are making a video like this, we'd like to send some more stuff to you so that I can feature those products in your video as well. I told you that I've been using these products for more than 1 year, right? They are so well designed that they worked every single time. Like, there is a satisfaction that comes when things just works, right? Okay, I don't want to go on and on about it. Let's just dive in. Let's get into the video. Now, this is my favorite peakdesign product, and no other mobile phone mount on the market comes anywhere close to this, in my opinion. No SP Connect, no quad lock, nothing comes close, because the way this thing has designed. So it uses a magnetic locking mechanism. The magnets guide your phone into place and the lock secures it. Like, once it's in, it's not going anywhere. Like, I can trust with my life that it is not going anywhere. I've ridden with the mobile phone on the mount pretty much everywhere, high speed highways, like extreme off-road. Unlike some of the other mobile phone mounts, it has got the vibration dampener built right in. That's not an item or feature that you have to buy extra, right? And the mounting and dismounting is just flawless. You just have to press a button on the back of the mount and the phone just comes off. I can mount the phone onto the mobile phone mount and take it off while I'm actually riding the motorcycle. So the only catch is you have to buy their proprietary, the everyday case, which is something that I'm using right now. This one, or the universal mount, which I have got installed on my drone controller. See this? This is the universal mount. This is how it looks like. I've mounted it on the drone so that I can mount this on the peakdesign mount, and I can monitor the drone and control the drone while I ride my motorcycle. But in case if peakdesign makes a case for your phone, this one, the everyday case, I would say just go for it, because this is the best mobile phone case that I have ever used till date. And trust me, I've used pretty expensive high-end cases on my phone. I've tried everything, but everything lasted for hardly 6 months. This one is, I've been using this for the past more than 1 year now, ever since I got this phone, and it still looks brand new. As you can see, yes, I have dropped the phone like multiple times, but yeah, you can see the scuff marks. Can you see the scuff marks? And not just that, the slim link, this is a slim link that they call it for their magnetic system. This can be used not just to mount your phone onto the handlebar mount, it can be used to attach more peakdesign products like the peakdesign wallet. I can fit at least 6 cards in it and some cash. I've been using this on the eastbound series. and it can double up as a mobile phone stand as well. And they make a lot of products to work with the everyday case and the slim link. I've got one more accessory, which is this guy. This is the tripod, and this is also really awesome. I'm just gonna quickly show you. This also, you know, attaches to the mobile phone. You see that? Now that quickly becomes a tripod for your mobile phone. How cool is that? Like, you always can carry this tripod around. Also, I want to quickly mention customer service of Peak Design while we talk about the mobile phone mount. The rubber part that sits on the top of the mount, it started to peel off while I was coming back from the Northeast, and I could have just, you know, easily fixed it with Fevicol. But what I did instead was I mailed them, no questions asked. They just asked me to send them the photos. They immediately sent me another product, and now I've got two mobile phone bar mounts. So all of these products that is made by Peak Design has got this lifetime warranty, which is, I love when brands, manufacturers do that. That shows the confidence that they have on the products that they make, right? All right, now moving on. Now let me introduce you to the packing cubes and organizers by Peak Design. This is the medium packing cube, and also this is the small packing cube made by Peak Design. You know, I've been using the packing cubes for Viaterra earlier, and they were good, but nothing compared to this. These guys are on another level. Like, you cannot even compare any packing cubes to these. You know, there are a lot of features built right into it. Well, to start with, the fabric is feather light, which is so useful on a motorcycle ride because we're trying to travel as light as possible, right? Whether you're backpacking or, you know, trekking, or you're riding on a motorcycle, you're always trying to save waste. And also it has a tearaway opening, so you can stuff clothes in quickly and take it out whenever you want to. The fabric is such that it expands, and if you need more space, you can just stuff clothes into this packing cubes and you can stuff. It feels like you're never running out of space, right? You stuff a lot of clothes into these packing cubes, and when you want to compress it down, you just have to close this zip, and you are suddenly saving all of that space as well. It is a very thoughtful design. It doesn't stop there. You have clean and dirty clothes separation as well. So that is on the back of this you know, packing cube. When you open this zip, this is where you can store your dirty clothes. What more can you ask for? This is their you know, shoe pouch. It packs down so light and so small, so when you want to open up, it opens up like that, and you can stuff your shoes in it. I can fit my Columbia trekking shoes in it, one pair. If it's your normal shoes, you can even fit two pairs of normal shoes in it, and you don't really have to use it as a shoe pouch. It has got loops like this, so you can, you know, even use it as a separate day pack if you want to. So that's something that you can do. And they have this two different pouches. One is the Peak Design tech pouch, which is this guy. The tech pouch is really useful. I carry all of my you know, ND filters, my mist filters, and CPL filters, my filters for the drone. All of these different filters I keep inside this, and also my drone batteries and the batteries for my camera. Everything goes inside. This is also my field pouch, my production pouch, because this is what I take with me while I'm shooting, right? So everything I'll need for my shoot is all in here. So this is what I use it for. It has got this origami layout, as you can see. It opens like this, so it can fit a lot of things. and doesn't take up a lot of space as well in your bag. Another thing that I like as much as the similar looking Peak Design wash pouch. So this is your toiletry, this is where you keep all your toiletries. This has got the similar origami design, as you can see. Yeah, but it has got a different layout. But yeah, it is built very tough and very premium feeling, premium looking toiletry bag, wash pouch. It has also got a hook like this. Yeah, so when you're in the toilet, you can just hook it like this, and you will have access to all of your toiletries. That's a pretty clever design. It's got a magnet in the center so that you can keep your toothbrush separate from all of the other things. I also keep, it's a little big, so I thought of just keeping my medicines and all of my first aid kit and all of that in it as well. So it can hold all of this. So this is the Peak Design wash pouch. Love it. Now finally, you might have seen a big burly bag that I've been carrying in the opening shots of this video. So that is this guy right here. This is the Peak Design Travel Backpack 45 liter. This is not a riding motorcycle backpack, but if you are a traveler or a trekker or a filmmaker and you want a backpack that can hold both of your clothes and your essentials and your camera gear, this is the only bag that you should go for, because it is incredibly versatile and at the same time it's tough and made with purpose, and it looks beautiful. I got this in the coyote colorway. The beauty of this bag is that just like the packing cubes that we saw, it can be expanded from 35 liters all the way up till 45 liters. So I'm just going to show you how you can do that very quickly. So this is right now, as you can see, the profile of the bag has shrunk, right? So this is right now in its 35 liter capacity of form. And if you just release these two clips right here, and if you release a zip also that goes all the way, see that? Now this is in its 45 liter form. So you know, like I told you, it is incredibly versatile. It is also made to work with the other Peak Design products like the packing cubes and also the camera cubes as well. They make camera cubes separately for you to keep your camera gear. The packing cubes are sold separately, so as the camera cube. That is additional. It has got your side axis, as you can see, like so. It can be accessed to the side, and this is my medium camera cube from Peak Design. If you open this also, there you go, you can access stuff like this. This is my drone. I can take it out like that as well. Yeah, so that's that. You have the same type of axis on the other side as well, like so. Oops, there you go. And you have access your typical clamshell opening like this. So there you have it. I keep my camera here and my drone, all of the different camera equipment on this side, and here you can keep your clothes and other travel essentials, right? This is my camera cube right now. This is the medium camera cube. If you don't have a lot of clothes, you can pack a small medium packing cube as well as a small packing cube. See? So here on this side, wait a minute. On this flap, you can keep your laptop. This fabric, this particular model is made with X-Pack fabric, which is made from recycled fishing nets, and you have two big pockets for your water bottles or tripods. That is also there. It has got handles all over. You can hide the straps if you want to. Like this, it has got a magnetic flap like this. You can just hide the strap like so. So it looks a lot more cleaner. A lot of useful features, just like all of their other stuff. And something that I forgot to mention here is this Peak Design capture clip, which is this guy right here. This is their first ever product they produce. So this, I use it on my Krieger backpack as well. This can be used on a lot of different backpacks. But yeah, this works well on this. This is where I hang my camera so that I have easy access to my camera. It is really handy, especially when you're trekking. You can quickly take your camera from the chest like this and start shooting. I never had an issue with it. It's built like a tank, man, this bag. It's built like a tank. It's a little heavy also. If you have anything to do with cameras and travel, I would say just go for it. Hands down, eyes closed, this is the best backpack out there in the market right now. Now, I would have sounded like, you know, I am promoting this brand or I got paid to say all of this. I am not, you know. I genuinely love all of the products that I showed you in this video, and the excitement is real, right? You know, the idea of this video is to show you the travel gear that has been reliable for me and worked for me every single time. That's the reason why I thought of, you know, sharing it with you. Anybody who are watching this video found any of these products interesting, you can probably go ahead and buy it or put them in the wish list and buy it later, because some of these products are a little expensive, right? That's what I do. I put them in the wish list so that I can buy it later. You can do that also. One thing that I can assure you is that they all worth the money. They are extremely durable and they will last for a lifetime, that's for sure, right? So that's it for today. In the next video, we'll talk about the packing. We are packing for the Solo Sahyadri. It's getting close, man. I'm just gonna, there's a beautiful sunset that's gonna happen anytime soon, so I'm just gonna witness that and going to go head back home. You guys take care. Bye-bye. See you on another one.